Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So the topic is describe a person who likes to make things by hand. एक ऐसे व्यक्ति का वर्णन करें जो हाथ से चीज़ें बनाना पसंद करता है. You should say who this person is, ये व्यक्ति कौन है, what he or she makes, वह क्या बनाता या बनाती है, why he or she likes to make things by hand, उसे हाथ से चीज़ें बनाना क्यों पसंद है, and explain how you feel about the person, और बताएं कि आप उस व्यक्ति के बारे में कैसा महसूस करते हैं. So I am sharing two sample answers that will help you prepare for this cue card. Sample answer 1 is, one person I know who enjoys making things by hand is my aunt Simran. She is a highly creative individual with a passion for crafting, and ever since I was a child, I have admired her skills in creating beautiful handmade items, from knitting intricate sweaters to designing custom made candles. She always working on some form of project. Simran has a wide range of talents, but what she enjoys most is knitting and sewing. She often makes scarves, sweaters, and even home decor items like cushions and tablecloths. She also loves to make personalized gifts for family members during special occasions. For instance, last year she knitted a beautiful shawl for my mother's birthday, which was not only aesthetically pleasing but also held sentimental value because it was made with love and care. The reason she prefers making things by hand is because she believes it adds a personal touch that store bought items simply lack. She finds immense joy in the process itself, from selecting the material to seeing the final product come to life. According to her, crafting by hand allows her to express her creativity and emotions in ways that mass produced items cannot. She also feels a sense of accomplishment and pride knowing that her creations are unique and one of a kind. Personally, I deeply admire her dedication and craftsmanship. I feel that in today's fast paced digital world, the art of making things by hand is becoming increasingly rare, and it's refreshing to see someone so committed to keeping this tradition alive. I also love receiving her handmade gifts as they feel much more thoughtful and personal compared to something bought from a store. Her creativity and passion have inspired me to appreciate the value of handmade items and to try my hand at crafting as well. The another sample answer that you can prepare is, one person I know who loves making things by hand is my friend Aman. He is incredibly skilled in woodworking and spends much of his free time building furniture and decorative items. Aman started this hobby a few years ago when he took a carpentry course, and since then he has developed a true passion for crafting things out of wood. Aman specializes in making custom furniture like tables, chairs, and bookshelves, but he also enjoys creating smaller items such as picture frames and wooden coasters. Recently, he built a stunning coffee table for his living room, which he designed and crafted entirely on his own. The level of detail and craftsmanship in his work is truly impressive, and many of his friends and family members, including myself, admire his talent. Aman enjoys making things by hand because he finds the process therapeutic and fulfilling. He often tells me that working with his hands allows him to disconnect from the digital world and focus on something tangible. The sense of accomplishment he gets from transforming raw materials into functional, beautiful objects is what drives him to continue. Moreover, he appreciates the sustainability aspect of woodworking as he often uses reclaimed wood and believes in creating long lasting items rather than buying mass produced furniture. I find Aman's passion for woodworking incredibly inspiring. His dedication to his craft, attention to detail, and creativity are qualities I deeply admire. I also appreciate how he values quality and sustainability in a world where fast production and disposable goods are so common. Watching him work has made me realize the value of handmade items and the satisfaction that comes with creating something unique from scratch. It's a skill I would love to learn from him one day. This is all about from my side. I hope these two sample answers help you prepare for this cue card. If you want any another story first, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.